Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to take a look at the icons in the Wireshark toolbar. Now, as you look at your toolbar, you'll notice that there are some lines that separate these icons into sections. So your toolbar is actually broken down into sections, and it corresponds to a function of that section. For instance, this first section here deals with all the capture functions of Wireshark. Here we can start the capture, this one will stop the capture, this one will restart the capture, and here we have the capture option. Now what follows the capture options, or the capture icons, are the file options. Here you can open a captured file, you can save this captured file, you can close the captured file, and then you can reload the file. These are the same options that you would have underneath File over here as well. This third section that we see here is how you can navigate and move around inside of your captured details or in the captured pane. So here we have the option to find a packet, a specific packet, and then if you want, you can go back to a previous packet. For instance, if I click on this packet and then I click on this packet, I can then go back to the previous packet. If I want, I can then go to the next packet. Here we see how we can go to a specific packet. And if I click on this, it's going to bring me up an option to find that packet using this search window over here. Now I can find that packet based on an IP address or a MAC address or some other filter that is available to me up inside of the display pane. Now you can also go to the very first packet of the scan, and this arrow here will take you to the last packet of the scan. Now if we're doing a live capture, and I'll go ahead and turn this on real quick. With this option here, we can go and scroll to the very last packet during a live scan. And as the next packet comes in, you're there to see it as it happens. Now this final section allows you to enlarge the main window text. For instance, if I click on this button, you'll notice that I can enlarge the text. The next button will shrink the main window text. And then I can use this next button here to return the main window text to its normal size. And if I have spread out the different columns and I want to bring them back to their default width, I can just click this here and I'm back to where my default settings should be. Now if you don't like the colors that you're seeing and you prefer just a black text on a white background, you can turn it off using this here. If you want it back on, just go ahead and click it again. And so as you go through these tutorials and you become more familiar with the layout for your Wireshark, it becomes much less intimidating. And you start to see that, yeah, this is starting to make a little bit of sense to me. And I'm learning how to navigate through this display pane and filter through all these different packets that I'm receiving. And that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we use the icons available to us up inside of the taskbar in Wireshark. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.